Need an advanced, intriguingly safe, rugged touch computer for hazardous location and explosive atmospheres? Here it is. The brand new BARTEC TC78ex-NI touch computer, developed in partnership with Zebra Technologies for use in hazardous environments. I'm Jared Jones. With 7 years working in BARTEC Enterprise Mobility Team, I am excited to crack open the box and check out this rugged mobile device for the new age of mobility. It comes with a battery that I'm going to attach for you right now. You can see this slick yet durable design with a 6-inch edge-to-edge display. This is 28% bigger than prior models. This device feels excellent in my hand and it feels light and comfortable to hold. Despite its size and ultra rugged design, this next gen device can handle 10-foot drops and on concrete and 2,000 consecutive tumbles. It's IP65 and IP68 rated, which means it's dustproof and waterproof, good enough to submerge and hose down. This Gorilla Glass protects from the most vulnerable parts of the device. So I'm going to power this device on so we can take a look at it. So now, this Qualcomm 6490 octa-core processor boots up nicely and quickly. According to the space, we're looking at a 90% increase in processing power versus previous generations, which allows you to run multiple demanding apps with virtually no lag. It also has many future-ready consecutive features like 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2. And the integrated SC scan engine captures 2D and 3D barcodes over 40 feet away. Let's take a quick peek at the 16 megapixel camera. All right, big smile. And that's a nice picture of myself that's saved for you for later on. All right, from top to bottom, this is one fully loaded, powerful touch computer ready for hazardous real world. Now, you can visit BARTEC Shop, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on LinkedIn to learn more about the TC78ex-NI and other intriguingly safe mobile devices. Let BARTEC support you and protect is what's most important.